Welcome to the B12 Alumni Tracker. In this tutorial, you will learn to create a group alert. Group alerts are messages that are scheduled in advance for a group of students. Students will receive this message via text and/or the MyCoach Facebook application depending on their settings. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into the Alumni Tracker. If you've forgotten your login, you can always click on Forgot Your Password. Once you're in, you can click on the Group Alerts tab on the top navigation. This is where you can create new group alerts as well as view and edit existing ones. In this tutorial, we're going to create a new alert. Creating a new alert involves 3 steps: creating the message, specifying when the message will be sent, and determining who will receive the message. Click on the New Alert button to get started. Let's say we're contacting our 2013 students to ask them to take a survey. First, type in a name for the alert so that you can quickly find it later. This field is for you and your team and will not be sent to the students. Next, name the recipient group and specify what group of students this message will go to. You want to be consistent in your naming conventions for this, since you can use this field to filter and search for alerts later. Then write the message that will go out to your students. Alert category is an optional field to help you note what kind of communication this is. We're going to categorize this as a general alert and then mark it as an action that the students need to take by January 15th. If you don't need to track whether the students have done this, just leave the checkbox and deadline blank. Click on the Save button and you'll come to this page where you can see your saved alert message, when it's going to go out, and who will receive it. The second step is to specify when the message will be sent. Click on the New Alert Schedule button. Here you can specify the date, time, and even time zone of when the alert message will be sent. After adding the date and time, click Save. Now that you've scheduled the alert, the final step is to specify which students will receive the alert. Go to the third and last section of the page, Alert Recipients, and click on the button Add Update Group of Recipients. Use the drop-down menu to choose the group of students that you'd like to send the alert to and add them to the recipient list by clicking on Select Alert Recipients. If you don't see the group of students that you need, you can reach out to B12 and ask us to create new groupings for you. On this page are all the students who can currently receive alerts via text and/or Facebook. You can remove students from the recipient list if there are any in the group who should not receive the alert. Once you've got the recipient list you want, click Next. This brings you to the page which shows you all group alerts that have an upcoming send date. You can use the filters on this page to find and update the alert with the recipient list that you selected on the previous page. Just click on the filter and select what you'd like to see. While you can select individual alerts, it is best practice to select all of the alerts for the same recipient group. So click on the checkbox on the top left corner of the table to select all of them. Then click Update Recipient List. All of the alerts selected will now be sent to this recipient list. This is the end of the tutorial on creating group alerts. Check out our YouTube channel or the Resources tab in the Alumni Tracker for other video tutorials.